There are several reasons you might need to reclaim a license or decommission a cluster, such as refreshing hardware, retiring equipment, moving nodes, or modifying your licenses. To get started, make sure you have both Prism Central and the Nutanix support portal open. In Prism Central, choose Admin Center from the main menu, then select Licensing. In older versions, licensing is under the Settings gear icon. Now select the cluster you intend to decommission and under Actions, click on Unlicense. This updates the license status in the Nutanix support portal automatically. In the Nutanix support portal, navigate to Assets on the left. Locate your specific cluster, then click Mark Decommissioned. This cluster may still appear in Insights views for up to 24 hours. Please leave a comment and let us know if this was helpful. Thanks for watching.